Over time, the sun, the very heart of our solar system, will undergo significant changes. It's an inevitable part of its life cycle. In roughly 3 billion years, our sun will transition into what astronomers call a red giant phase. This phase will see the sun expanding significantly, its outer layers reaching as far as Earth's current orbit. Picture this: our sun growing so large that it engulfs our planet, making Earth Venus-like. It's a startling prospect, isn't it? But how do we arrive at this future? Science provides us with a timeline, a sequence of events that will lead up to this dramatic transformation. This timeline is filled with cosmic milestones that will reshape the very fabric of our solar system. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's delve into the timeline leading up to this cosmic event. Our sun, like all stars, is destined to evolve. Stars are born, they live, and they die. This is the cycle of life in the cosmos, and our sun is no exception. Currently, our sun is in its main sequence stage, the prime of its life. It's been happily converting hydrogen into helium for about 5 billion years, radiating its energy outward and providing the light and warmth that sustains life on Earth. But nothing lasts forever, not even stars. In approximately 3 billion years, our sun will exhaust its hydrogen fuel. When that happens, it will start to contract under its own gravity, increasing the pressure and temperature in its core. This will ignite a new phase of nuclear fusion, converting helium into heavier elements like carbon and oxygen. This process will cause the sun to expand dramatically, transforming it into a red giant. The sun's outer layers will extend outward, engulfing the inner planets, possibly even Earth. It will shine 1,000 times brighter, but its surface will be cooler, giving it a reddish hue, thus the name red giant. This red giant phase is a brief, tumultuous period in the sun's life, lasting only a few 100 million years. After this, the sun will shed its outer layers into space, creating a beautiful cloud of gas and dust known as a planetary nebula. Left behind will be the sun's core, a white dwarf, which will slowly cool and fade over billions of years. The once vibrant star, the heart of our solar system, will become a faint ember in the vast darkness of space. The life cycle of stars is a story of transformation, a cosmic dance of energy and matter that spans billions of years. It's a story that reminds us of our place in the universe, of the forces that shape our world and the worlds beyond. As our sun evolves, so too will the conditions of our home planet. Imagine Earth, our blue planet, transforming into a scorching, inhospitable world. As our sun ages, it will inevitably expand. This expansion is not just a simple swelling. No, it's a violent, fiery process that will drastically change the face of our solar system. And Earth, our home, won't be spared from this cosmic evolution. Let's take a moment to consider the implications of this. Picture our world with its lush forests, expansive oceans, and bustling cities. Now imagine all of that under a sun that's grown so large it fills the sky, its heat intensifying exponentially. The first casualty of this new reality will be our oceans. As temperatures rise, they'll begin to evaporate. This won't be a gradual process, but rather a swift and relentless one. The oceans we've known, the cradle of life as we know it, will be reduced to mere vapor, disappearing into the atmosphere. And what will happen to that atmosphere? It will become a thick, dense layer of heat-trapping gases. This is what's known as a greenhouse effect. It's the same phenomenon that's causing climate change today, but on a far more extreme scale. This greenhouse effect will turn our planet into a pressure cooker. This is not hyperbole. This is the reality that awaits our planet if we were to witness the sun's expansion. Earth will become a twin to Venus, a planet known for its extremely high temperatures and crushingly dense atmosphere. A world where no life as we know it could possibly survive. As the sun continues to expand, Earth will be scorched, its surface transformed into a barren wasteland. The vibrant, life-sustaining planet we know and love will be no more. Instead, it will become a silent testament to the relentless march of cosmic evolution. Earth will no longer be the life-sustaining planet we know today. Beyond Earth's transformation, the expanded sun will also significantly affect the rest of our solar system. Let's take a moment to consider the wider cosmic picture. As our sun swells up, its gravitational pull will increase. The orbits of the planets will change, and this will have quite dramatic effects. The sun's increased gravity will tug at the planets, pulling them into larger, more elliptical orbits. Picture, if you will, the planets in our solar system as dancers in a cosmic ballet, each one pirouetting in its orbit. As the gravitational music swells, the dancers are drawn in, their orbits becoming grander, more sweeping. The rhythm of the solar system changes, its tempo quickens. The innermost planets, Mercury and Venus, will face the most drastic changes. Mercury, being the closest to the Sun, will likely be the first to feel the heat, quite literally. As the Sun expands, it's not inconceivable that Mercury could be engulfed completely. Its existence would come to a fiery end, consumed by the stellar furnace from which it was born. Venus, our planetary neighbor, could face a similar fate. As the Sun grows, it could extend its fiery reach to Venus, pulling it into a deadly embrace. Should Venus fall into the Sun, it would be a dramatic end for a world that has so often been compared to our own. But what of the outer planets, the gas giants and their icy moons? The increased solar gravity could pull them into closer orbits too. This could spell disaster for the delicate balance of our solar system. So, we see that the Sun's expansion won't just affect Earth. The whole solar system will feel the impact. The planets will dance to a different tune, their orbits changing, their futures uncertain. The Sun's fiery expansion could consume worlds, the inner planets first, and then, perhaps, the outer ones. The solar system, as we know it, will be drastically altered. The dance of the planets will change. The rhythm of the solar system will quicken, and the cosmic ballet will take on a whole new form. While these events are billions of years in the future, they provide a fascinating glimpse into the potential destiny of our solar system. We've embarked on a cosmic journey together, exploring the life cycle of our Sun and the fate of our very own Earth. We've seen how the Sun, in its quest for energy, will expand and morph into a red giant, its fiery tendrils reaching out far into the solar system. This process, though gradual, will have profound effects on our planet. The once thriving cradle of life, Earth, will undergo a Venus-like transformation, its surface becoming a molten, inhospitable wasteland. But the story doesn't end there. The Sun's metamorphosis will trigger a cascade of changes throughout the solar system. Planets will be pushed outwards, their orbits altered. The outermost planets, the icy giants, may find themselves in warmer zones, their icy exteriors potentially melting to reveal new mysteries. These events aren't just the stuff of science fiction. They are the inevitable result of the cosmic dance of gravity and energy, a dance that has been going on for billions of years and will continue for billions more. Understanding these events isn't just about satisfying our curiosity, but about understanding our place in the cosmos. Knowing the future of our solar system helps us appreciate the fragility and preciousness of our current existence. It underscores the importance of cherishing and protecting our Earth while we still can. It also challenges us to look beyond our planet, to consider the possibility of finding new homes among the stars,